Hello again. It's me, Dom G. I'm back for day 4 of 31 days of Dom. We are making it through. I made it to day 4. Can't believe we're still here. So in today's tutorial, we are going to use the program Adobe After Effects, and I'll be teaching you guys how to do a gradient animation. So it's going to be really cool for any background stuff. Like if you ever just have something that's just all text and you just need a little bit of pop to it, a little bit of umph, this is the perfect thing to do. I promise you. But I'm not going to talk no longer because I know I'll be rambling and rambling. So let's just get into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is open Adobe After Effects, of course, because that's the program that we are using today. So when you're in here, you're going to see one of two things. Either your canvas is going to be black or your canvas is going to be transparent. But regardless of what you see, this is the first step that you're going to want to take. So we are going to come to Layer, and then you want to go to New, and then hit Solid. And then it's going to be black. Probably automatically it might be a different color. But we're going to just keep it safe and go with black and hit OK. So what that did is actually create a layer for us to work with. So the next thing you want to do is come over to the Effects and Presets panel on the right-hand side and just type in the word gradient. You'll get a few options, but the one that you want to focus on is the 4-color gradient that's right here. So we're going to click it and drag it onto the canvas itself, not onto the timeline, onto the canvas itself. And when you do that, it gives us these beautiful bright colors, right? We got yellow, green, pink, blue, right? But I'm pretty sure this is not the colors you want to use. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're going to come over to the left-hand side, so it's a 0.1, color 1, 0.2, color 2, 0.3, color 3, 0.4, color 4, right? That's going to be on the left-hand side. So all you're going to do is click the little box that has the color in it, and then you'll be able to change it. So I'm going to just do different shades of blue today. So for my first one, I'm probably going to like let's see, what shade of blue I want to do? Like a light blue, like this color. I'm going to change my green to another blue. So probably something a little darker, like that color. I'm going to change my pink to like a blue, like a ooh, right here. And the last one, I'm probably going to do something that's probably right here, right here. So this is the 4 colors that I'm going to go with. But as you can see, it kind of gives off that it looks like we have 4 different colors basically, right? Like you can see it. It's not blended well together at all. But of course, we're going to get around that. So what you're going to do is come over to the left-hand side under all the color options where it says blend. I'm going to take this and just going to drag it up. And the more you drag it, the more blended it's going to be, okay? See that? So I'm going to do mine probably about like right here. I like this blend, but of course blend it up until you feel comfortable with it. And another thing that we can do, so we're going to get to the animation part now, is this right here, right? So you see the 4 points that's on the screen. You're actually able to move those colors. So I'm going to show you how we're going to animate it. First, bring your cursor all the way back to the beginning of the timeline, and you want to hit where it says 0.1, you would hit the stopwatch, and the same thing for 0.2, 0.3, and for 0.4. So now we have all the keyframes marked. We're going to bring it to the end of our timeline, and then here we're going to switch our colors around. So you can just move it wherever you want to go. Move this here, this over here. Oop. Take this one, probably move it like right here, right? So we literally just animated it. Do you see how quick we animated? We are animating pros now. This is our full-time job. We need to go work for Nickelodeon at this point. So we're going to take the cursor, go back to the beginning of your timeline, and then you can see the little like the motion. So of course you can add more colors if you want. You can change the brightness of these colors. You can move them in a variety of different ways. You can speed up or slow down the speed at which you want this to move at. You can even change the opacity and the type of blending. But this is just the basics of how to do a really cool gradient animation. And that's pretty much it. that's all I got for y'all. I hope this helped you out a lot. I hope it was interesting. I hope you learned something today. But if not, you can always come back tomorrow where I'm teaching something else again. As always, thank you so much for sitting here and listening to me ramble. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms so you can keep up with 31 Days of Dom, because at the end of the month, you're going to be a design pro. Period. Okay? That's all I got for y'all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.